three-wheel electric skateboard Dragon Knight H3, designed for skateboarders. Its appearance draws inspiration from the Nordic mythology Dragon Frey, with a strong degree of identification. Applied for appearance patents in many countries around the world. Steering mechanism invention technology effectively solves shock absorption with more humanized design. Smart digital display makes the speed, power, and mileage clear at a glance. Turn on Bluetooth to enjoy wonderful music. Removable battery design for longer battery life. Folding design makes travel more convenient. Standard advanced, reliable, and stable electronic control system. Achieve startup, brake, and people in one, always in a stable state. There are 3 speeds of 10 kilometers per hour, 18 kilometers per hour, and 28 kilometers per hour. TOMOLOO Dragon Knight H3.